The meaning of standard form. In tutorial 1.7, we briefly discussed writing ordinary numbers as powers of 10. This method or writing numbers is useful when we want to highlight various placeholders and the specific weight they occupy in a number. Thus, the number 271 is written in the decomposed form as the following shown on screen. Moreover, we can write 100, 10, and 1 as powers of 10, i.e. we have the following shown on screen. Writing numbers in the decomposed form is very useful to understand what value each digit has. However, this method is too long. It is better to write them in a shorter way while preserving some features of expanded or decomposed form discussed previously. Thus, we write only the power of the leftmost digit while the original number is written in two parts, one decimal part that gives all digits of the original number and another part that gives the powers of 10. This method of writing numbers is known as the standard form. Therefore, the standard form represents a form of writing numbers in terms of powers of 10. Any number n, written in standard form has the general structure. We have the following shown on screen. Where a is a number between 1 and 10, without reaching the value 10, while m is an integer that represents the highest power of the decomposed form of that number. If a number w in the ordinary form has n digits, when written in the standard form it becomes the following as shown on screen. Where a, b, n are the coefficients representing the place values of the original number. Example: which of the following numbers is written in the correct decomposed form? Then, write all of them in the standard form. A. 12,478. B. 3 times 5 squared plus 2 times 5 to the power of 1 plus 9 times 5 to the power of 0. C. 7 times 1,000 1/3 plus 4 times 100 1/2 plus 3 times 7 to the power of 0. D. 6 times 10 to the power of 4 plus 3 times 10 to the power of 1 plus 9 times 10 to the power of 0. Solution. A. This number is not written in the decomposed form but in the ordinary form instead. If decomposed it becomes the following shown on screen. The standard form of this number therefore is shown in the following on screen. B. This number is not written in the decomposed form as it is not written in terms of the powers of 10 but of powers of 5 instead. If we want to write it in the decomposed form, first we must convert it in an ordinary number and only then we can write it in standard form. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. When written in the decomposed form, this number becomes the following shown on screen. And in the standard form it becomes the following shown on screen. C. The number is not in the decomposed form but with a few arrangements it can be written as such. We have the following shown on screen. When written in the decomposed form, this number becomes the following as shown on screen. The standard form of this number therefore is shown in the following on screen. D. This number is already written in the decomposed form as all terms represent powers of 10. We can just write the missing terms for aesthetic purpose although this is not necessary, i.e. we have the following shown on screen. This helps to write the number in the standard form without errors. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 7.3.1. To continue this tutorial please watch 7.3.2, Writing Decimals in Standard and Decomposed Form. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.